Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete your Zelle account from Bank of America. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to Bank of America's official website. Look for the help option at the top right corner of the home page and click on it. On the help page, locate the We're here to help section. Click on ways to contact us. In the menu, select Mobile Banking under the third column. Under the Call Us section, you'll find the Mobile Banking Support phone number. Under the Call Us section, you'll find the Mobile Banking Support phone number. Just dial the number and follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative. Request to have Zelle deactivated or removed from your Bank of America account. Before calling, make sure you have your account details and security verification information ready. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.